Good morning, children. I am Anantesh, TBC High School, Gulkere, English teacher. Dear students, welcome to all our English online class, second language English. How are you, my dear students? Very good. I am also fine. Yesterday we have discussed about the introduction of the lesson, unit number 5. The unit is 5. The lesson is the concept. Anybody tell me what do you mean by the concept? Oh yes, good. Concept is a musical performance, or a musical ambrosia. We know that, we understood that the meaning of the. So here a wonderful lesson. Who wrote this? Who was the author of this lesson? Yes, very good. This lesson was written by Santa Rameshwar Rao. Anybody tell me a few about the highlights of the Santa Rameshwar Rao? Yes, good. Santa Rameshwar Rao, she was a very Indian famous writer. She wrote many works on the myths and the Mahabharata and then about the children. So she got then honest. One of the great achievement of the Santa Rameshwar was she was very good dancer in classical and Kathakali, Kuchipudi. Yes, so she had good personalities. She wrote many important works. We already know that. So we are proud to end Santa Rameshwar. So this lesson was very written by Santa Rameshwar. She was an author of Indian author, and she wrote this lesson. It's a real incident, a real story happened in Mumbai. We know that Mumbai is a metropolitan city. There are many incidents happened to them. Yes, so these incidents inspiration for the authors and then writers. Yes, this is a real story. It's a very beautiful story written by our Santa Rameshwar Rao. So this is, and it also a very heartbroken story. Yes, ಹೃದಯ ವಿದ್ರಾವಕವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅಂಥ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂತ ರಾಮೇಶ್ವರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ತದೆ. ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಬೋನ್ awards also. Yes, their writings is inspiration to the public and private life also. It's the nearest to our life. What incident happened in our daily life also. Yes, this story. First, before going to the lesson, so here, one of the picture. Look at the picture here. So who was? So she is anybody know what is the picture? So this is a small family. The 4 members are there. We already yesterday class know that the special character in that story is one is Anant and second one is Smita. They were both brother and sisters, and the father and mother, their aunt was Sushil. This is the 4 members in the family. So they are lived. Anybody tell me where Anant family was lived? Yes, good. So Anant family lived in Gaganpur. Where? Gaganpur. So look at the picture. Another one picture is on the blackboard. Here, this is what do you say? So this is the city of Bombay. So what do you look at the title? This is an apartment. Yes, what do you mean by apartment? So many houses in a particular building within a. It is called an apartment. And this is the structure of the Bombay. Here, so another family shifted to or came to the Mumbai for the treatment of what happened. There is a great strike. That family is suffering from the cancer, especially one of the great boy. She was 15 years old and 16 years old Smita. They were the good, they were very close each other and they doing with all the activities, especially reading and writing, they mingling with. So they shifted to the Bombay because suddenly this family was suffering from the cancer. We already know that cancer is a very a disease. There are several types of the cancer: blood cancer, sugar cancer, lungs cancer, and like that. So many. Our doctor said that variety of the 1,100 types of the cancers are there. But I told you here, my dear students, you always keep your health very carefully, because we know that money lost, something is lost, health lost, everything is lost. We came out from that 1.5 year. We are facing that a great pandemic, the COVID-19. So we must concentrate on our health. We take a nutritious food and maintain the cleaning and hygienic and to avoid the spreading of the epidemics, diseases. So what we say, precaution is better than cure. ರೋಗ ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಾಗಿರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಈಗ 1.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಾದ್ಯಂತ ಟೋಟಲಿ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ದ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ that is called COVID-19. So, my dear students, I always advise to you, you maintain a good health and you always keep the cleaning or concentrated on the cleanliness. So otherwise you are safe in and stay with home also. So now first before going to the lesson, first we know the great personalities are in this chapter. One is Pandit Ravi Shankar Ji. Anybody heard this name? Yes, tell me. Very good. Pandit Ravi Shankar was a greatest Indian musician. Not only Indian musician, he was very famous in the world because he was a very good composer, musician, instrument. So he play when he started playing the sitar. So higher and higher, it's reached to the heaven. Yes, dear student. So we are all enjoy the music here. So music gives to me, and it helps to our here. Gives a good pleasure, and it also encourages. It also controls our pleasures also, and it also inspiration. So music is the art of God. It's a gifted by the God. So everyone heard the music, they enjoy, and they are also happily with dancing and then something. So like that. So thus we know that there are many great personalities in our country or in our Kannada industries, Kannada film industries, the good musicians. They are also a good composer. So and they got many national awards in the film awards. We already seen that in the movie or the TV. So like that, so he is the one of the great person that was the Pandit Ravi Shankar. And also one of the greatest Indian tabla player, his name was Ustad Allaraka. He was always frequent, accompanied to the Ravi Shankar. So where the Pandit Ravi Shankar is there, Ustad Allaraka, they are both a good companions, good colleagues, or good friends. So their concert, when they are starting their concert, so each and everyone, they are mind blowing. Yes, that type of the melodies they are created, and they are attracted all the audience with with very wind of silence like that. So each and everyone to listen the music, and they carries to them all the audience minds to the heaven. So we are proud to our Pandit Ravi Shankar ji is a Indian composer, especially in the music section. So there are the great personalities are introduced Santa Rameshwar in this lesson. So but they are very simple. They are very simple man. Very simple man, but their achievement are very great. So now before going to the lessons, first we know the glossary of words. So excitedly. So what do you mean by excitedly? Excitedly means feeling or showing happiness and then enthusiasm. So excitedly, suddenly, a feeling, showing the happiness. So maestro, a great performer or a musician. So these are the words underlined in this chapter. So maestro, a great performer. What do you mean by maestro? A great performer, especially in the music. Sprang means moved quickly or particularly placed. Sprang means particularly moved quickly and suddenly towards a particular place. Suddenly towards a particular place. That is called a sprang. So maestro means a maestro, a great performer, especially in the particular a great performer in music. And another one, with a catch in her throat, a great sorrow, a with feeling great sorrow, especially Smita with catch a throat means a great sorrow. Another one of the important word is unbidden, unexpected, or expected, unexpected. Here, unbidden means expected. So without being asked, dear students, without being asked. So that is called unbidden or expected. Self-approach, another one of the important word, a blame or a criticism, herself and then himself. That is called a self-approach. And gravely, seriously, another one, pretend to behave. What do you mean by pretend? To behave. Sogu haku. To behave. Athwa sogu haku. In Kannada meaning. And astonishment. One of the important word that is called astonishment. What do you mean by astonishment? Astonishment meant take them a feeling of a very great surprise, feeling of a great surprise or miracle or an act or event that does hang in the air. That is called astonishment. Miracle means an act event that does hung in the air. Chocolate voice, dukkha tumbida. Another one of the word is chocolate voice. So these are the glossary words, very important concepts or meaningful words comes in that lesson. The concept you underline that word, particularly when we reading on the textbook, please open. So yesterday we are read the first paragraph and second paragraph. Let we move on third and fourth paragraph. So the family was struck down by the cancer. So after that it is shifted to the Bombay for the further treatment, because Anand was a very young and very talented fellow, talented boy, but he here, so the Smita was trying to fulfill their brothers' wants or desires. So she thought that how to fulfill her brother's wants. She always think on that, because she never leave Anand, because they are doing both reading and writing with all activities. So they are very close brothers and sisters. So for that, but in the family, when we struck or heard the cancer, so after they shifted to the Bombay and stayed in the Sushila's apartment. So, but the doctor was told to the parents and Smita, you take and Anand, and they give what he wants, because the cancer is not curable diseases, it is over. So this is it is crossing the over situation. So the doctors said that you take him away, take him to the home, and what he give to them. So for that, Anand family stayed in the Bombay. In that time, the story is happened. So this situation is written by Santa Rameshwar Rao in their what she was seen in the Anand family. So, but Anand's wish was he wanted to see and he wanted to see and listen the music because he was a fan of Pandit Ravi Shankar. So he was he always heard the Pandit Ravi Shankar's music and everything. So he was imitated that Pandit Ravi Shankar's style. So and he also a good table tennis player, and he was also a fastest runner. And but he was struck by the great cancer. The disease is cancer. So how the family, we already know that they were students. So we are in the middle class family. So when a person is in patient of our family, we can't do anything because we are only our family's condition is very critical. So we fought that situation in Anand family. But Smita was trying to, she always ambitious, she always a cheerful girl. She wanted to fulfill the final desires of his brother. So, but final desire was Anand to see and he and heard the Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert. But what happened? But there is no what do we say? There is no way for to go and sit to the concert because he was on bed. So he always put in a cylinder, an oxygen, artificial oxygen is providing. Here, look at. So she, look at the picture. Here, he was Anand was a bedridden. She was his mother. So when Smita was reading, sitting there on the side of the window, once she heard the voice or announcement in Bombay. So there is a great concert held in a Shanmukananda auditorium in Bombay. So this announcement she heard, she was inspired, she was what we say she sprang. Smita was sprang. She heard and see the news in the newspaper. She was very excitedly. She wished whatever we do, we go and we take and go to the Anand's to this concert. So she was a young, but she was a girl. How can she fulfill their brother's wish or desires? So this is the problem. Let us see how she overcome this problem and how she was succeed in their work. Let us see the paragraph. Fourth, lay down my son. His mother sprang to his side. He actually raised himself without help. She murmured with a catch in her throat, and her eyes turned to the idol's a corner self. The prayer which she utterly endless came unbidden to her lips. But her mother, when Smita read the news, Pandit Ravi Shankar was consulted at her Shanmukananda auditorium. She was very quickly to move and very inspired. They cheered, but her mother, don't make a sound. Keep quiet. Anand was sleeping. But So when you are making a sound, what happening? The patient was disturbed. So Anant's condition was very critical. So for that why, so his mother said to Smita, keep quiet, keep quiet. But Anant was not slept, he was asleep. So when he heard the name of the Pandit Ravi Shankar, he was trying to get up, wake up to see the announcement and listen to the announcement, but he starting to then his elbow means this the ಮೊಣಕೈ ಮೊಣಕೈಯನ್ನು ಊರಿ ಎದ್ದಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, but he was slipped down. So what happening? So these all the situations. See Smita, she was really upset and murmured. So that is the very crucial and then a heartbreaking situation in Smita's family, her Anand family. So, but her mother, everyone mother was wishing to her brother, her children's goals and to achieve something. They are wishing, all the parents wishing to achieve something. But here, when in the little age, all the children's child suffering from Lord, so the parents, how the parents were upset here. So says, now I will stop to here. Let us continue tomorrow onwards. So thank you, listen to my lesson, my dear students. Thank you.